Welcome, my friends of the interwebs. This is going to be a serious video. A friend of mine in Bell County, Kentucky called me and he told me that there was a situation that he was hoping that I could help with. He said, knowing that you have a lot of Bell County residents, well, a lot of people in Southeast Kentucky in general that watch your videos, he said maybe you could put the word out or help put the word out about one of his friends that went MIA. Gary Wayne Sayre, I think. Sayre, S-A-Y-R-E. Anyway, he's 5'7" and approximately 150 pounds. He's gone. He's missing. Nobody knows where he's at. He's got a wife. He's got a special needs child. And yeah, apparently it's got a lot of people freaked out. They found his hat in the middle of the road, and I don't know. It's just a mess. And so if anybody has seen him, I'm going to give a close-up of this picture. I'll leave a link also to the newspaper article. I'll leave a link below this if you want to read it. I wish you would. If anybody's got any information about Gary, where he is, if he's okay, please pass it on. The Bell County Sheriff's Department is apparently in charge of the investigation. Hopefully they do a good job. I know they've got some fine officers there. No matter what I've said in the past about the sheriff himself, there are some outstanding deputies that work for that department. So hopefully they're on top of it. I'm sure they are doing their best. All right. As far as what I can do, all I can do is send this message out. So if anybody has seen or heard from Gary, if you know anything, any kind of information at all, please contact the Bell County Sheriff's Department. I don't have their phone number, but you can Google it easy enough. All right. Well, that's all I got for you. Hopefully this helps. Everybody take care.